Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HENMI bicycle stand. It's compatible with bikes from 24 inches up to 29 inches. It is height adjustable bicycle stand, non-slip side stand, a stable bicycle stand for mountain bikes, trekking bikes, city bikes, commuter bikes, and so on. We have here a new universal side stand. A side stand or a kickstand is a device on a bicycle or a motorcycle that allows the bike to be kept upright without leaning against another object or the aid of a person. A kickstand is usually a piece of metal that flips down from the frame and makes the contact with the ground. It is generally located in the middle of the bike or towards the rear. And this second thing here, this kickstand is at the rear side, so you can use your bike really easy with it. You have no props with the pedals, and it's better because in the backside of the bicycles often is the maximum weight, and this kickstand can hold this there. Okay. For example, this type here means it is a side kickstand mounted to the rear of the chainstay and the bottom of the seat stay. The chainstays run parallel to the chain, connecting the bottom bracket shell, which hold the axles around with the pedals and the crank rotate, to the rear fork ends or dropouts. A shorter chain stay generally means that the bike will accelerate faster and be easier to ride uphill, at least while the rider can avoid the front wheel losing contact with the ground. You see, this kickstand here comes with a compatibility bike stand suited for all kinds of bicycles out there, such as mountain bikes, road bikes, commuter bikes, and so on. Its compatibility is big. The bicycle stand height adjustable for a bicycle size from 24 up to 29 inches. And sturdy HENMI bike stand holds the chainstay firmly in various road situations. And we have a protective plastic handle. This prevents our bike frame from being scratched. And a non-slip latch and non-slip feet prevent our bike from drop to the bottom. And it's really easy to attach. First thing is, the applicable wheel is 24 up to 29 inches and only applicable vertical height from the ground more than 23.5 centimeter. These are 9.2 inches. Okay? And you can extend this kickstand from 34 centimeter. These are 13.3 inches up to 40 centimeter. These are 15.7 inches. You see, this is a wide compatibility. It's suitable for rectangles and ovals frame build with minimum of 1.5 centimeter. These are 0.6 inches to 2.8 centimeter to 1.1 inches minimum. The maximum of the frame is 2.5 centimeters. These are 0.9 inches. And we will need an oval chain pillar for it. Okay? Not the round pillar are compatible with that. The maximum load is 35 kilogram. So that means it is compatible with electronic bikes. This is a really good stand to attach easy peasy on your bicycle, as you can see. It comes with a non-slip design, so you can use it on the ground of wood, for example, on gravel, on the street, of course, in your garage, and where you like to stay your bike in position. The attachment is really easy. The only thing you have to tighten 3 bolts or 3 screws. First, you clean your frame, then attach this to the stand, to the chainstays, and tighten these 3 bolts, these 3 screws, and then you should get the line up that you have a good stand there, and then job's done. Then after this process, it will cost you, I think, 5 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, and then you're ready. It comes from HENMI. It's a bike kickstand. The manufacturer is Handan Jinghao Metal Production Incorporated, and it is a cheap but a good device for your bike to get a good stand in the rear side of your bicycle. This is the HENMI bicycle stand, and this case here is a professional bicycle stand with a model number HMF-Q02. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.